Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing the ways to create Facebook business account. In order to create a Facebook business account, first thing first, make sure that you already have a personal profile. And then to begin with, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. You'll have to log in from web browser. So then on the web address bar, type in www.facebook.business.com. And once you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official homepage of the business page. So here, this is how it's going to look like. On this page, to create an account, tap the drag bar icon from the top and go ahead and select start now. After that, it's going to ask you to log in with your Facebook account. Apart from it, you can also sign up with a different account. So click on sign up for Facebook. In my case, I'm going to do this. So once you're on this page, you can either log in with your previous Facebook account or with your Instagram account, or else you can go ahead and simply create a new one. So I'm going to go with login into my previous Facebook account. So all I have to do is enter in the information, and once I'm done entering the information, it's going to ask you to provide in some of the information. So all you have to do is just follow the prompt, and then you'll begin with creating your profile, bio, and all sort of thing. So in this way, you can create a Facebook business account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.